Hey, welcome back, guys. There's build two, video two of build number two of this series of this Top Cat, the Schumacher Top Cat Classic. Just a couple things to go over. This is actually with step 15 done. This is as far as I got with step 15, mounted to the chassis, as you can see here. This build's a lot different than any other kind of builds I've ever done. Like I said in another video that I never owned one of these, but I've driven one. Of course not. It might be a little bit different setup with the new one, I'm not sure, but I was an RC10 guy back then, so I still have several steps left in this bag A. Not sure how many, but this is all 15. But it was interesting, this whole system putting together. It was a little tricky. It's not like, any standard associated type builds. These are rubber O-rings for this crash system. Don't seem real stiff, but they work. We'll see. I guess in drier climates, like in the Southwest, U.S., those O-rings are going to dry out fast. Unless you can lubricate them or something, but you don't want to add lubricant in you to collect dust. So, but then I had to go back and do a couple steps because I forgot about the addendum for the adding washers underneath a couple of these pivot blocks for the shocks, and then under this bulkhead thing here. So it just basically brought the spacing up a little bit, probably for the turning on the bell crank system. So, but that's it so far. That's up to step 15. Like I said, it was a little interesting on doing these O-rings. You got to wrap them around, pull them. It's not like a normal build that I've ever done. So, but I'm enjoying it, and I do plan on driving this car. So, I'm not gonna sit on a shelf. I'm gonna use it. So, but that's it on the build 2 video of the Schumacher Top Cat. I'll just keep going every step I get along the way, so there's not 100 videos, but I'm pretty happy so far. It's exciting. Looks like that the next step is 16. I'm going to be doing working on the back bulkhead and stuff, so and the arms and all that, so start to look like a car then. So, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll be putting links to the next videos on each video. So hope you're enjoying it, guys. I'm not the best YouTube video guy, but I like to show what makes sense to me and maybe help others. So, yep. Thanks, guys. Bye.